Hello and welcome to this week's PV Tech Newscast. Coming up in the programme. Industry figures revised as record installations in Germany showed 2011 capacity grew to 28 gigawatt. Capital spending in 2012 likely to fall as crystalline silicon market suffers from overcapacity. And there's hope of a successful outcome for bankrupt French module manufacturer Photowat. Solar capacity grew 54% to 28 gigawatt in 2011 thanks to record installations in Germany. The results have sent market researchers scrambling to revise their figures. Bloomberg, the most bullish, claim PV installations went up to between 26.5 and 29.4 gigawatt last year compared to 18.2 in 2010. But head of solar analysis at Bloomberg, Jenny Chase, believes 2012 will be flat as European markets have overshot targets and spending caps and plan to rein back incentives. Analysts are predicting a significant fall in capital spending in 2012, and the equipment suppliers are at risk of experiencing year-on-year revenue declines in the 60 to 70% range, especially those exposed mostly to the crystalline silicon ingot-to-module markets, which are suffering greatly from overcapacity. The impact is regarded as serious by the researchers as it contrasts with many suppliers who are expected to report record sales in 2011. Many European equipment suppliers with a strong track record within the PV industry, including Centrotherm, Meyer Burger, Schmidt, Rena, Amtech-Tempress and DEK-Solar, are forecast to post record PV tool revenues for 2011, while Applied Materials is expected to retain the top spot. Asia-based suppliers also gained market share last year. Rapidly declining prices for crystalline silicon-based technologies has put immense pressure on thin-film technologies to remain competitive. Several developments this week suggest thin-film suppliers are fighting back. The first development is that First Solar has achieved a new total area efficiency record for its standard-sized modules of 14.4%. NREL was said to have confirmed the record, which was previously held by First Solar at 13.4%. Actual volume production of modules with efficiencies between 14.5 and 15% are expected in 2015. The second development was that an 11.7 megawatt peak PV power plant, completed late last year by Mazda PV in Germany, used Mazda's latest dual-junction micromorph silicon and amorphous modules. Based on Applied Materials' Sunfab Gen 8.5 large area substrate, over 50% of the 50,000 plus modules used in the project were said to have been micromorph technology. And the third development was an even bigger project announced between CIS thin film producer Solar Frontier and customer NXCO. The deal's significance lies in the fact that it marks the first major project win for Japan-based Solar Frontier. The agreement refers to the supply of up to 150 megawatt of modules, and the project, when completed, would be the world's largest thin-film CIS or CIGS power plant in the world. Hope of a successful outcome for bankrupt French module manufacturer Photowat has taken a turn for the better. Newspaper reports claim energy provider EDF Energies Nouvelles and the Franco-Italian company ST Microelectronics have entered into a non-disclosure agreement with Photowat to secure financial information. A new date for the submission of tenders has been pushed back to early February. And finally, one of the most popular stories from the PV Tech website this week related to Schott Solar closing its multicrystalline wafer operations in Jena, Germany, impacting 290 workers. However, the company said its monocrystalline wafer production at Jena, as well as its thin-film module production, is set to continue. The company also said that a collaboration with Schmidt Group on quasi-mono silicon wafer processing has achieved a cell efficiency rate of 19.9%. Schott Solar said that it would be launching its new Schott Perform Mono high-performance module in the first half of the year, supporting the current need for mono wafer production in-house and reducing manufacturing costs. Well, that's it from me for the time being. Join us next week when the PV Newscast team will take a special look at the emerging Middle Eastern market and the expected impact on the PV industry from further declines in polysilicon prices. Bye for now.